What's going on, guys? This is Riyad here again, and this is a new tutorial for the fighting game. In this one, we're going to work on the join menu. So we'll make the servers available to join. But first, we don't have any servers to display on the join menu, so go to your database and let's add some fake servers just for testing. So yep, and I've already did that, but I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, here is my table. So click the table right here and then insert. So let's enter some random ID and some random IP too. So this is just for testing purpose, and the local IP is something like this, and the port, the name, I don't know, I can't think of a name, but type, let's say 1 versus 1. Clients, let's say 1, and the max clients 2. So hit go, and then your table should have one row, but for me I've added some servers before that. So yeah, now in order to get this data, if you go to your domain here, then it should be empty. Okay, so you just see this default.php, but I've just uploaded the getServers.php, and getServers.php is just a PHP script. So download it and just change this variables here. So here you're going to put your database name, and here the user, the host, the path, and the table. So for me the table is servers, but I just misspelled it. And MySQL path, which is the password. The host, you can find the host in the, where is it? Yeah, go back. If you go to your MySQL, so this is the host of your database, and this is the user, and this is the database. So you just need to type the password, and after that I suggest you to go to download FileZilla, since it's free, and then log into your site. So for me it's master.net 46 and whatever, and then select your username, your password, your password, and the port, and hit quick connect, and it should connect to domain here, and you only have one folder there, and it's public HTML, and it should contain only the default.php. But once you save your script, go ahead and drag it over there, so it will upload it to the site. So after that, when you refresh the page, you should see your get servers PHP script, and yeah, that's all. So I put the link of the description. I put the link in the description to download the PHP script, and then if you click it, then you can see the available servers that are running. But oh, come on. Okay, yes. So here are the available servers. So but as you can see, there are in one line. So you can see that yes, this is the server name, the type, the client, the max client, the external IP, this is the local IP, the port, and then this is the next server name and type, and yeah, so it's in one string. And that's why I've put this minus sign to help us on extract the data from the string. So what we are going to do, go to your game maker and go to your lobby manager here. And first of all, I just made a simple error here, mistake. So change this to 8 and this to max servers. So this is very important. Now here we need HTTP requests. So the first one is server list equals HTTP get. So here we're going to paste this URL. Okay, so paste it here, and then let's go to asynchronous HTTP. Okay, and let me just so I'm very lazy right now, so let's just copy this code and change this to server list, and this is to so let me show you something. So let's create two temporary variable, character and string. So string, oops, so change this to server data. Okay, so here we're going to extract the each server's data from this string. So this string gonna contain basically this string is the same as this one. Okay, so let's say for I equal 1, make sure it's 1 since the character index starts from 1. So for I equal 1, I is less than string length str, and it's less or equals that I plus plus, then character equals string char at stri. Okay, let's say if character equals minus sign. So what we are going to do, so remember this data index, so this array, it's a 2D array, it will help us to extract the information that we're going to need. So let's so this is last index equals I, and then last index plus equals 1, then if last index equals 8, then last index equals 0 and index plus equals 1. So this is just a way to know where each data starts and ends. So for example, data index 0, 0 and data index 0, 1 are the name of the first server, and data index 1, 0 and data index 1, 1 is the name of the second server. And yeah, that's all. And also you wanna do data server data equals string copy str0i. Okay, now let's go to our draw menu. Oh no, before that let's go to our step event and let's start extracting the value. So here extracting the server's informations from the server data. So for I equals 0, I is less than index I plus plus. Then server name dot I equals string copy. So this is server data, and so here it goes the way to extract it. So we have our data index. So this is I0, okay? Since it's character, so it should be +1, I guess. And server data I1 minus, oh wait, this is data index, okay, minus data index I0, okay. So now let's go and test it. So if current menu equals menu dot join, whoops, okay, then draw, or wait, for I equals 0, I is less than index I plus plus, then draw string, draw text 0, no, yeah, 0 server name dot I, and for the y, let's say 96 plus 32 times I. So if you run your game now, you should see the server's name, if we didn't make any mistake, of course. Oh, come on, it always takes a long time to load when you're on Game Maker. So let's just wait. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay, so let's select our multiplayer, join, and let's wait some time for the servers to send the request. And yes, as you can see, we have the server's name appear on the screen, except for this one needs to be -1, I guess. I think so. Let's see. Join, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, yes, as you can see, we have 3 servers running here. I know they are fake, but this is just for testing. So yeah, here we can see the server's name. But so let's do that for all the servers information. So let's go with that like 7 times. So this is server type, server clients, server max clients, IP, local IP, and server port. And also make sure that it's that order. So don't do something like server port here, or no. Make sure it's that order. Name, then type, then client, max client, IP, local IP, and then the port. So this is very, very important. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and change this 2, 3, 4, 4 5 6 oh oops 6 7 and 1 2 3 4 oops 5 and 6. So here we have every information about every server. So let's draw some oops, where, okay, that was weird, but anyway, wait, so let's change the position to but before that, let's draw something like draw text 0 and so here server name and yeah, draw set color, set grid, and server name, server type, and client, clients, and so let's say anyway, so okay, so these are the server's name, and then draw text. So this should be 120, and here server type. Oops. This is I, and well, what I'm doing. That's all. And also draw text. And here we're going to draw basically server clients that are connected here plus slash plus server max clients. But you know what, I think it's better to do it oh yeah, so they are integer. So what we're going to do is this, so turn it into a real. Okay, and then let's say string okay, and now yeah, so let's see how it's looking. So this way, as I told you, it's more secure, since now we have each server's IP without displaying it on the screen. So we still have the variables of the IP, so we will use it when the player hits the client when the player hits the connect button. So let's see what I have done. Okay, yep, but so you know what, I think it's better to change this to I don't know, something like 200. And also let me show you something. Okay, so you can see here we have I think it's an HTML comment So we don't want that to appear on the screen. So let's go to our HTTP event here, and so if you, well, what did I say before? It's not an HTTP comment, it was HTML comment. I mean, so you may know that HTML comment starts like this. So we are going to check if there is less than sign, then server data equals string copy str I minus 1. So yeah, and since we did that, let's remove that and starting from the index of 1. Okay, oh wait, I think the index should be 0. um yep, so that was a comment, but what's the matter? Index is out of bounds. GML object lobby manager at line 9. Server IP. Really? Why? Oh yes, so let's do something like, so oh my god, why it's doing that for me? Where is it? Okay, so here, change this to index minus 1. So index doesn't represent the correct number of the servers, because here, oh my god, because here we are adding 1 to the index, even we didn't assign a value here of the index. So the correct number of the servers that we have is index minus 1. So that's why we got an error. Now this should work properly now. Okay, multiplayer, join, and yep, as you can see, yep, so I forgot to index minus 1 2 here. So let me just change something. Or should I say add something? So for the server, let's say lamp, and also let's say to make sure it's so this is just to make it easier to see the servers that are not full. So if the server was full, then the clients and the max clients will be red, so the user can see easily that it's full and he cannot connect to the server. So yeah, as you can see here, that was what you expect. And I don't know if I should continue that too. No, no way. So in the next video I will show you how to do something like this, so you can switch the page of the servers. So if I go to join menu here, so as I told you before, you want some you have to choose a number of the servers to display per page. So here I'm displaying four servers per page, and I can switch the page to see the other ones. So yeah, so we'll do that in the next tutorial, and also I may do the refresh button right here. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. And oh, so don't forget to like or subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and just do anything beautiful. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.